I am Mr. Sandeep Dattatreya Kardili, M.Pharm Pharmaceutics Lecturer, Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Soni, and I am giving presentation on sterilization part first. First of all, contents of my presentation: definition of sterilization, various agents used in sterilization, physical agents and chemical agents, then hot air oven, and lastly autoclave. First of all, definition. Sterilization is making a substance free from all microorganisms, both in vegetative and sporing states. Spore is a reproductive structure that is adapted for dispersal and surviving for extended periods of time in unfavorable conditions. Spores form part of the life cycles of many bacteria, plants, algae, fungi, and some protozoa. Terms used in sterilization. First, disinfection. The destruction or removal of all pathogenic organisms capable of giving rise to infection. Disinfection does not affect spore state organisms. Antisepsis. The term is used to indicate the prevention of infection, usually by inhibiting the growth of bacteria in wounds or tissues. This is done by antiseptics, then chemicals or disinfectants which can be safely applied on skin or mucous membrane to prevent infection by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Then bactericidal agents or germicides, those which able to kill bacteria. Then bacteriostatic agents only prevent multiplication of bacteria, but they remain alive. Then cleaning, important preparatory step before sterilization or disinfection by removing soil and other dirt. Then decontamination, the process of rendering an article or area free of contaminants including microbial, chemical, radioactive, and other hazards. Then methods or agents of sterilization. First, classification of sterilization, physical methods and chemical methods. First, physical agents, in that sunlight, drying, heat. First dry heat, second moist heat. Then filtration, in that candles, asbestos pads, membranes. Then radiation, then ultrasonic and sonic vibrations. Chemical agents, alcohol, ethyl, isopropyl or trichlorobutanol. Then aldehydes, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, and surface active agents, metallic salts, then gases, in that ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, beta propiolactone. Physical methods of sterilization, that sunlight, action primarily due to UV rays, however, effects vary due to places. For example, in tropical country, the germicidal effect is better than four seasoned countries, and bacteria in water are readily destroyed by sunlight. In that first drying, moisture is essential for growth of bacteria. Drying in air has deleterious effect on many bacteria. Then heat. Most reliable method of sterilization and should be the method of choice, dry heat and moist heat. The factors influencing sterilization by heat. First, nature of heat, dry or moist. Then temperature and time. Third, number of microorganisms present. Fourth, characteristic of organisms, in that species, strain, sporing capacity. Fifth, type of material from which organism have to be eliminated. And sixth killing effect is due to protein denaturation, oxidative damage, and toxic effect of elevated level of electrolytes. 7. Killing effect of moisture due to denaturation and coagulation. Thermal death time TDT, minimum time required to kill suspension of organisms at a predetermined temperature in a specified environment. Thermal death time is inversely proportional to temperature. TDT is increased in presence of organic substance, proteins, nucleic acid, starch, gelatin, sugar, fats, and oils. First, dry heat. Hot air oven. Hot air oven are electrical devices used in sterilization. The oven uses dry heat to sterilize articles. Generally, they can be operated from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, that is 122 to 572 Fahrenheit. There is a thermostat controlling the temperature. This is the most widely used method of sterilization by dry heat. Items like glassware, forceps, scissors, scalpels, all glass syringes, swabs, liquid paraffin, dusting powder, fats, grease. Material should be properly arranged to allow free circulation of air. So these are all sterilized by using hot air oven. So this is a diagram of hot air oven. It consists of compartments. So this is a hot air circulating oven. Precautions: glasswares should be dry. If you want to sterilize, then oven should not be overloaded. Articles are to be arranged in a manner to allow free circular of air. Door of the oven should be opened after it cools down, that is 2 hours. Temperature and holding time in minutes. Temperature is 160 degrees Celsius, holding time is 45 minutes. Temperature is 170 degrees Celsius, holding time is 18 minutes. Temperature is 180 degrees Celsius, holding time is 7.5 minutes. Temperature is 190 degrees Celsius, holding time is 1.5 minutes. Advantages and disadvantages: they do not require water and there is not much pressure built up within the oven, unlike an autoclave, making them safer to work with. Second, suitable to be used in a laboratory environment. Third, they are much smaller than autoclaves, but it can still be as effective. As they use dry heat instead of moist heat, some organisms like prions may not be killed by them every time. Moist heat sterilization. Moist heat can be categorized into three groups. First, temperature below 100 degrees Celsius, temperature at 100 degrees Celsius, and temperature above 100 degrees Celsius. Moist heat. Autoclave is an instrument which is used in moist heat sterilization. Autoclave is a device that uses steam to sterilize equipment and other objects. This means that all bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spores are inactivated. Principle: water boils when its vapor pressure equals the surrounding atmosphere. Thus, when pressure inside closed vessel increases, the temperature at which water boils increases. Microbes kill the coagulation of cell proteins. Holding period, it will vary. Temperature, we have to maintain between 108 degrees Celsius and 147 degrees Celsius. Items like dressings, instruments, laboratory wear, media, and pharmaceutical products, they all are sterilized by using autoclave. Temperature and duration: 121 degrees Celsius temperature for 15 minutes, 126 degrees Celsius temperature for 10 minutes, 134 degrees Celsius temperature for 3 minutes. Disadvantages of autoclave: some plastic ware melt in the high heat, and sharp instruments often become dull. Moreover, many chemicals break down during the sterilization process and oily substances can tell. Moreover, many chemicals break down during the sterilization process and only substances cannot be treated because they do not mix with water. Lastly, thank you.